Good evening. My name is Arthur, and I'm demonstrating the consumption of the API from tvmaze.com. It lists most of the shows that are playing internationally and nationally. So in order to start the CLI application, I'll first call bin CLI. And this version is, of course, just for demonstration. By the time this thing is viewed, maybe it might be updated and a little bit niftier, hopefully. But so here it says, welcome to the Media Hub, and it gives them menu options like to list all media, enter 1, to search for a show, enter 2, to search for people, enter 3, to quit, type E, what would you like to do? So 1 and 3 are not implemented at this point. What is implemented is to query shows at this point. So I'm going to enter 2, and it asks me for the enter. It asks me to enter the name of a show. So I'm going to enter a show called look for a show called The West Wing, and basically it's a show from the 90s that I ran into recently on Netflix. So here I go. I'm searching for West Wing. I just enter West because I want to see more options and because I don't want to type a lot. So you see here, this is the list view. It gives the shows with West in them. The one I'm interested in is number 1. There are 9 results. And it asks me to enter the index of the show, or to enter R to return to the main menu, or to type E to quit. So I'm going to enter the index of the show, which is 1 here for the West Wing. When I enter 1, I get the detail view for the West Wing. It gives me a summary of the show, the name, title of the show. Then it says, this is further detail. It digs down further. It asks me, please enter 1 to see the cast of the West Wing. So if I enter 1, I should be able to see a list of all the people playing. It says the West Wing has the following cast: Josh Lyman, played by the wonderful, talented, future Oscar winner, Mr. Bradley Whitford. The lovely Mr. Martin Sheen and his lovely sons. But I'm most interested in Mr. Rob Lowe, who plays Sam Seaborn, and it asks me to enter the actor's number to see more about the actor. So here I am. I'm going to enter 11.1 for Rob Lowe. The reason why it is this odd is because sometimes a character can be played by multiple actors, like there are some movies out there that where one character is played by multiple actors, some reincarnation or the other. I think the Parnassus movie by the Imaginarium of Mr. Parnassus or Dr. Parnassus is one example where one character was played by many others. So the program handles multiple actors playing the same character, and of course, one actor playing more than one role. So when you press 11.1, you should get some information about the gorgeous Mr. Rob Lowe, very talented, another future Oscar winner for Best Actor, and we have him listed here as born on 64th, gender male, born in the U.S. A credit to all mankind, and then it gives me options like please enter R to return to the West Wings menu, enter M to return to the main menu, or to quit, type E for exit, right? So I would like to now, this is the most detailed view. I would like to return to the West Wings menu. So when I return to the previous menu, I see the West Wing right here. It says enter 1 to see the cast, R to return to the main menu with search results listing shows, and I'm going to return to that, back to that particular view for the West Wing. And of course, I'm done with this here. Uh, uh, and it says enter R to return to the main menu again. When I press R again, it takes me all the way back to the original main menu. And here I can press E or exit to quit. And it gives me a thank you message for using the Media Hub and wishes me a blessed day. So I would now like to quickly demonstrate some error handling capability. Suppose you know this feature has not been implemented to list all media. Suppose I entered that, it gives me a message saying all media is a feature available to paid subscribers. Then if I was interested in searching for people, for example, it gives me the same message: searching people class is a feature available to paid subscribers. And then if suppose I accidentally entered 4, which is erroneous entry, it says this menu does not have the option for. So that's about it. And this error handling is in all the menus, and the program is fairly robust and fairly object-oriented. I can go over the object-oriented part of it by actually maybe going over the code very, very briefly. So here's the code, the project. It has person, which is the parent class, and a character actually inherits from person, and actor also inherits from person. And basically, it uses class methods and instance methods. Class methods to add the actor, and instance methods to add the character to the roles that an actor plays. This is the API implementation. Basically, this is the CLI menu. Oh no, I mean this is actually the API calling the website. And if you want to see the actual CLI, it's actually in CLI.rb, and that's the actual CLI menu here. Yeah, it's a little lengthy, but that's about it. That's the version that's there for now. Hopefully, there might be some updates in the future. Thanks. Bye.